So we will focus on the grand strategy matrix, and if time allows, we'll look at the space. So this was taken from your 2016 paper, right? This was taken from the December 2016 exam paper, and it looked at Walmart. So this is an actual question you will get in the exam, the type of question you will get in the exam. And it says, well, first it has the matrix in table 3, the grand strategy matrix for Walmart. And the bottom says, note that the axes are scaled 1 to 10. It means that as you read your axes, you need to appreciate they move from 1 to 10. And when you look at the matrix, what is it telling you? When you look at the matrix, there's an arrow. What is that telling you? Sorry? Sorry? What is the arrow telling you? Right. The arrow is telling you where Walmart is positioned. So if you know it's a scale of 1 to 10, this means that Walmart is positioned what coordinates? About 10, 2 or 10, 3. Right, 10, 2, 10, 3. So let's read the question, and then I want you to collaborate with a colleague or colleagues next to you and tell me how you would go about analyzing this. And then we'll have an open discussion. And it says, Walmart Stores Inc. is in the process of revising its competitive strategies. You have been hired as the external consultant for strategy. As the consultant, you have been asked to A, analyze the following grand strategy matrix for Walmart Stores Inc. in table 3. And you see table 3, right? It says, as the consultant, you have been asked to analyze the following grand strategy matrix for Walmart Stores Inc. And B, based on your analysis of the grand strategy matrix, recommend the most appropriate strategies for Walmart that Walmart Inc. should pursue in order to enhance its competitiveness. I read that again. B says, based on your analysis of the grand strategy matrix, recommend the most appropriate strategies that Walmart Inc. should pursue in order to enhance its competitiveness. And it says for A, it is 10 marks, and it says for B, it is 10 marks. So folks, every year, and I mean every year, students would answer this question and make the error that I repeatedly say you should not make. All right? So I will repeat the error you should not make. And once you read the question, you should not commit this error. Now, the question has 2 parts, correct? So it says 10 marks for part A and 10 marks for part B. So here's what some students do. They write one essay. No part A, no part B. They write one whole essay. Now that provides me with a dilemma, because the question is divided into 2. So technically speaking, I should only allocate marks for 10, because you only did one section. You understand? So if you just write one whole thing, it leaves it to me to determine which is part A and which is part B. Now when you read the front of your exam book, you know your exam book, it says, in paraphrase, the onus is on the student to read the questions carefully. So I'm saying to you folks, anytime you see a question that says A is 10 and B is 10, or A is 8 and B is 12, answer 2 sections. You can't conclude you only will write one thing. So if I really implemented the strict approach, I will mark it out of 10 and assume you only did one section. Right? So I think it has happened long enough that I'm urging you folks, please follow the instructions on the paper. So what I want you to do for me now, spend the next 5 to 8 minutes going through how would you go about answering this question, right? It has A and it has B. You're the consultant. So I want you to attempt answering it, and then I will go through in detail and a suggested approach for answering a question like this. And as I said, this is the basic type of questions that you're likely to get in the exam once you have these kind of matrices. And in fact, 90% of your questions put you in the role of consultant. So the questions are really worded that you are business people then. You're not students in the exam. They are worded in such a way that you really are a consultant advising a business. So that role is different to just writing an academic essay. You have to begin thinking like a strategy consultant, right? So let's hear you. Just look at it 5 to 8 minutes, and then we'll go through it in detail. Let me get into class with you.